Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and it's like yote. All this like is 7 p.m. Yeah. It is at night, it is around 7:30, and a girl just decided, my god, you need to do something about your baby's dresser, and that is what I am about to do. I have been meaning to organize it for the longest time, but a girl has been busy, a girl has been lazy, a girl has been a lot of things. Anyway, so today is the day that I'm gonna organize that dresser, and siezi lala kama sijamaliza. I have to do it today. So before I do that, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you and you know it. And for my premier gang, I can't wait to like thank you later. I have to thank you right now because you guys have been amazing. You guys have been supportive. You guys have been family. Anyway, yeah, so thank you so much. I would want to shout out to just one of you, but let me just do it generally today, and then the next video I'm gonna give a shout out to one specific person. So let's wait for that one. For today, let me show you how the dresser looks like. Okay, I know I have a lot of energy, don't worry, it has been a good day. So I'm gonna show you how the dresser looks before, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks after, and then in between I'm just gonna time lapse you as I organize. For those who usually ask which method I use, I will tell you. So this is the situation of the dresser right now. This is the top part. That is how it looks. It still has some clothes. Some are not even baby clothes. Some are just my jackets that I put at the top. Some essential oils, all that, and some diapers that I haven't unboxed yet. Is it unboxing or getting whatever? So I still haven't fixed this one yet. If you have watched that video where I promised I will fix it, a girl is a liar. She has never fixed it. But I still have that something over here, so I still just haven't gotten someone to fix it. So this is where I put my diapers, and it's really dirty and dusty. We're gonna wipe that down before we put our diapers in there. And then we have where we put our bonnets, our socks, our feeders, our socks. Yeah, that is where we put and our bathing towels. Then this is the second layer of our clothes. This is where we put our t-shirts, our onesies, our vests, and yeah, basically, so t-shirts, vests, and onesies, we put them here. And then our third, this is where we put our trousers, our stockings, but then some rompers find their way somehow here. Some sweaters also find their ways. This is the fourth one. This is where we put now our rompers, our sweaters. That is the official place they should be. And finally, down here, don't mind the floor, we're gonna wipe that down as well. So this is where we put our heavy rompers, our receiver blankets, our towels, and our shawls. So we're gonna take everything out, and then we're gonna wipe out the dresser, and then we're gonna start organizing. Okay,
so really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you, got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends.
so this is how the dresser looks like after removing everything. This is how dirty it is. Okay, not dirty, it is dusty. And we're gonna wipe it down, and then we're gonna leave it to dry as we organize the clothes. Oh,
walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
So these are all the clothes we have, plus others that were unhanged earlier today. I'm gonna get them. So what we're doing, we're going to sort through the clothes and get rid of the clothes that are small now. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I fold the clothes, just a piece at a time. Okay, what do I mean? Like, I'll show you how I fold my vest, my onesie, my trouser, my t-shirt, sweater, like that, and then I'm gonna time lapse you through the rest of it. And then yeah, instead of me showing you every single onesie that I have yeah, so I'll show you how I fold, like the folding technique I use, and then we're gonna time lapse the rest. So let's start with trouser. So if this is a trouser, okay, these are the bigger ones that I haven't used yet. It's still not fitting into them. So can you see? Okay, let me try here. Can you see? So if this is the trouser, I usually just fold it into like leg over leg, and then I like roll it up like that. I don't fold, I roll them up like that, such that they are a tiny cylinder. Does it make sense? Yeah, so I roll them up like that, and then I'm going to show you how I put them in the dresser. Okay, so one technique, some people put them looking upwards like this, but I put them differently. So yeah, so just for clarity, if this is your trouser, again, you just fold leg over leg like that. I don't know where I'm putting it like that. Then you just roll it up like that, as firmly as you can, like ikue firm kabisa, ikue firm kabisa, and then like that. Okay, so that is the trouser part. And yeah, last trouser, just to be clear, so like that, you fold over and then you roll up like that, like that, like that. Make sure it's tight, like tight, so that it doesn't fall apart. Okay, that is the trousers. Okay, for my onesies, so this is being a onesie, what I do is, at the point where the shoulder is, I fold. At the point where the shoulder reaches, I fold. Then you realize it comes together well at the bottom, so I just roll it up again like the trousers. So basically I roll up my baby's clothes like that. Okay, so that is for the onesie. Just for clarity, let's do it again. So at the point where the shoulder ends, you fold in. Okay, at the point where the shoulder ends, you fold in, and then at the bottom it's gonna be nice, so you just roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, and done. Yeah, so that is how I fold those ones. And then for the t-shirts, same thing. So this is the t-shirts. Okay, so if this is a t-shirt, where the shoulder ends, where the neck begins, I fold in half. Where the neck begins, I fold it, see? Then in a very close knit, I roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Yeah, so that way you get to fit in so many clothes in a tiny space. All right, if it's a long sleeved t-shirt, same thing, where the neck begins, and then your hands will come over here. Can you see? And then where the neck begins, you fold, okay, and then your hand comes over here, okay, then you roll it up from the neck side down. So tung, 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 tung. And you have small rolled up tiny clothes. So yeah, that's for the t-shirt. For the sweater, you do the same thing as, okay, I like my clothes outside in, okay, inside up, okay, whatever, what am I even saying, like the right side up. So where the neck begins, you fold it in, you place your hand over here. I hope you can see. Then where the neck begins and where the shoulder ends, you fold, then you put your hand there, that, and then boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so that is basically how I do my folding. As for the rompers, so this is my romper. This is my romper. So how I fold my romper is, I fold the hand in, then I fold into a half like that, and then I just roll it up. Simple. You're gonna see how they turn out in the dresser, so don't worry. And then for the vest, same thing. Yeah, so where the neck begins, you fold in, and then you roll up from the neck side up. So that is how I fold my clothes. I don't know whether it has an official name. I don't know whether it has an organization name. Someone can help me in the comment section down below. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that to all these clothes, and then we're gonna meet when organizing them in the dresser. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have a suggestion, if you have an opinion, feel free to say anything. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing, and let's go.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know
this is how I put my clothes. That way I can see every single piece of cloth, and if I'm picking one, I won't have to disarrange every other one. So yeah, and if I don't want him to wear the same, I can return it easily like that. Yeah. So yeah, that is my system. It works for me. Let me know in the comment section how you organize your dresser. I try to color coordinate, but I'm no expert, so I do what works. So these are the stockings and the shorts and the trousers he's wearing now, and the big ones he's not wearing, and his jeans on the other side. These are the sweaters. So the jackets, the jacket, he only has like one heavy jacket, and then sweaters that he stays home with. Yeah, like that. And then there's a rompers over here, and the rompers that he has like grown out of on that end. So this end he can't wear any of those. And then down here we have our shawls, our towels on this end, and the rompers. He has outgrown these rompers actually, so I am thinking of what to do with them, either give them away, yeah, or something. So yeah, so that is our closet. It's really late. I'm not sure I'm gonna do anything else right now. Well, a girl is tired. A girl is tired. It's like, I think it's 11 right now. I took a break to put the babies to bed, to feed them and then put them to bed. And it took a lot of time. And then hubby came home and we had to eat dinner. It took another whole while. So yeah, that is why I'm finishing up right now. But basically, I think the organizing just took me 1.5 hours, 2 hours maximum. And I'm happy with the work that I've done. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, and then I will see you in my next video.